The track leads from the paddock to the lake and back. Can you beat your best time from back in the days with Windstorm? Not bad at all. The two of you have become even faster. From now on, you can always challenge yourself to beat your current best time and improve it. Do you remember training with Windstorm for the Kaltenbach Classics?
Sure. That really sucked. Fortunately, your grandfather created an individual training program just for us.
Yeah, he'd already noticed back then that the two of you weren't meant for tournaments.
That's true. We did well anyway. I think I'll practice jumping with Windstorm again.
The old training obstacles should still be there.
Perfect. See you later then.
I've spruced up the old training obstacles and...
Keep it up.
Excellent! You and Windstorm are a good team indeed, not a tiny bit rusty.
This time I made it a little bit harder for you. Well done. You and Windstorm are becoming one.
Hey,
I'm so
Windstorm.
proud of
How
you.
about if we ride out once again?
Mika, would you please bring this basket of food to Mr. Khan's house? Usually that's Sam's job, but he's nowhere to be found. Again.
All right, Grandma. I'll take Windstorm, as he could use the workout.
Very well. I still believe that his talent is squandered when he's on the paddock all of the time. Not
That wouldn't make him happy either.
successful, though. Whatever. You'd better hurry, Mika, or Mr. Khan might have already left.
Already on my way. Cheers.
Bring the basket to Mr. Khan's.
Keep it up.
Thank you, Mika. I knew I could rely on you.
I've marked some of your favorite sections. Great! You were flying indeed. You can repeat the track at any time to